Hi everyone. Let us discuss one of the important and one of the typical question based on kinematics or motion in a straight line. So it is related to motion in one dimension and the concept is calculating displacement and distance in case of non-uniform accelerated motion using differentiation. So we will use the mathematical phenomena of what? Differentiation here. So let us take the question. A particle is moving along a straight line as x equal to t cube minus 2t square minus 4t plus 1. Then find the distance and displacement at t equal to 4 seconds. So they are asking about the distance and displacement at t equal to 4 seconds. So when you want to find displacement at any time, directly you substitute the given time. So x equal to t cube minus 2t square minus 4t plus 1. So the given time is 4 seconds. So 4 cube minus 2 into 4 square minus 4 into 4 plus 1. That is 64 minus 32 minus 16 plus 1. So that you will get 16 plus 1, 17 meter. This is the displacement at any time. So if you want to find displacement, substitute the given time in the equation. But if you want to find distance, you need to find position, initial and final. So let's take initial, t equal to 0. What is x? 0, 0, 0, 1 meter. You find the position at given time, 4 seconds. What is the position? 17 meter. But that doesn't mean that always the particle starts at 1 meter and reaches 17 meter, so that the displacement is 16 meter. There may be possibility that it will start from 1 and it may move beyond 17 and come back to 17. So the motion may be like this. Here at 1 meter started and come back at one point and reached 17 meter. Then this is displacement, but this is distance, total length of the path. So how do you calculate that one? So you found this position, you also found this position. What is this position? The point where the direction of motion got reversed. When the direction of motion will get reverses? When the velocity becomes 0. So find that condition. V equal to dx by dt. So 3t square minus 4t minus 4. This should become 0. So it is like a quadratic equation. See, the application of quadratic equation is also coming here. So here 3 4s are 12. You can take it like 6 2s are minus 6t plus 2t minus 4 equal to 0. So if you take 3t common, t minus 2 plus 2 t minus 2 equal to 0. So t equal to 2 seconds. So another time you will get minus 2 by 3, but negative time is not possible. So t equal to 2 seconds. So if you take the given time where they are asking distance, that is 4 seconds. But before that only at t equal to 2 seconds, the velocity becoming 0. That means the particle reverses its direction. So this is at t equal to 0. This is at t equal to 2 seconds. Now this is at t equal to 4 seconds. So find this position also at t equal to 2 seconds. What is the position? X equal to 2 cube 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8 plus 1. How much? Minus plus cancel, so minus 7. That means it is moving along negative x-axis first. So draw it is origin. It is at x equal to 1. So at 1. So here at t equal to 0 started. Now it is moving towards negative x-axis and at t equal to 2 seconds it is at minus 7. And at t equal to 4 seconds it is at 17 plus 17. So reverse the direction. Now it reached to a position 17 meter. So from 1 to minus 7. This is 1, this is 7. So this is 1, this is 7. So this is also 7. and this is 17. So 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 17. How much? 32. So what is the total distance covered? 32 meter. So this is the way. Finding displacement is always easier, but finding distance is becoming little bit tough or little bit difficult. You have to apply the procedure like you need to find 3 different positions. Initial position and the position when velocity becomes 0 and the final position the given time. Then you have to find the total length of the path. Then only you will find the journey. Then only you will get the correct answer. Otherwise you will get only displacement. You will get wrong answer. So please try to take care. So thank you.